Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to save Excel sheet with formulas in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, open your Excel sheet. Go to the file menu, click open option. Then open your Excel sheet. Now we want to save this file. Go to the file menu, click save as option, then choose the browse option, then select your file location, then write your file name, then click the save option, then go to your file location and check the file. Now we can see here the file. Now we can see we save a Excel file with formulas easily. We can see here many formula, filter, etc. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.